Students, welcome you all. Now next topic is again from haloalkane and halorine, that is nomenclature. So we can name haloalkanes and halorines in two ways, that is common name and IUPAC system of nomenclature. So first in common system or common name. So common name is very simple. So we have to write the name of alkyl group. Suppose if we take as Rx as an alkyl halide, then write the name of alkyl group. Suppose here alkyl and halide followed by halide, alkyl halide. Whereas in IUPAC system we have to name it as a haloalkane, haloalkane. So there are also some basic rule, that is initially we have to select the longest chain. Second rule is numbering rule. We have to number from that side where the halogens get the lowest number. Third rule is if there are substituents are there, we have to mention the position of substituents are also there. Here the halogens are considered as a prefix. That means we have to name it as a fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. Okay, and they are named as a haloalkane, chloromethane, fluoromethane. So let us discuss one by one. Now first example is CH3Cl. So in common system which alkyl group is there? So here methyl group is there. So we have to write methyl, that's why chloride, methyl chloride. So alkyl halide, alkyl group and chloride is a halide. So here we have to write it as a, it is a prefix as a chloro. So that's why chloromethane, right? Now second example, if we take CH3CH2Br, so here we write as a ethyl bromide, and in IUPAC, so this is a bromo, that's why bromoethane, right? Now next one is CH3CHCl CH3. So in common system we know that if the chlorine is attached to the secondary carbon, that means if the moiety is like this, CH3, CH and CH3, we call this group as a iso or secondary. Okay, so we have to write here as a isopropyl chloride or secondary propyl chloride. But in IUPAC system we have to number the chain. So we have to write as 1, 2, 3. So the locant is at second position, that is chlorine is at second position. So we have to write the number first, that is 2. We write its prefix as a chloro, and how many carbons are there? 3 carbons. So that's a pro, and single bond is there, that's why ANE, 2-chloropropane, right? Now next example is CH3 and Cl. So in common system we name it as a, we know that this carbon is a tertiary carbon, and how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. So that's why tertiary, that's why T or tertiary. How many carbons? 4, that's why but. Which alkyl group is there? Butyl group. So that's a tertiary butyl chloride, right? But in IUPAC system we have to number it. First rule is numbering rule. So 1, 2 and 3. So here 2 substituents are there. One is chloro, other one is methyl group. But we have to name them in alphabetical order. So chloro come first. That's why we have to write here 2 chloro, then 2 methyl. How many carbons in a straight chain? 3 carbon, that's why pro, and single bond is there, that's why ANE, 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. Now next example is CH3C, CH3, CH3, CH2Cl. So we know that if such a group is there, we called it as a neo. We called it as a neo, that's why neo. And how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's why pent, neopentyl group. So neopentyl chloride. So neopentyl chloride. But in IUPAC system, we have to number it 1, 2 and 3. So longest chain is this one. So how many carbon in longest chain? 3 carbon. But there are 2 substituents at second position also. So we name it in a alphabetical order. So first chloro come first, that's a 1 chloro, then 2 comma 2. 2 methyl groups are there, that's why 2 2, then di methyl 2 2 dimethyl propane. So in this way we can name in a common and IUPAC system. Now how can we name arenes? तो arenes को हम कैसे नाम देंगे? तो सबसे पहले हम एग्जांपल लेंगे arenes का. So here we have to name it. So इसे हम नाम देंगे chlorobenzene. That is chlorobenzene. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमें नंबर मेंशन करना पड़ता है कि on which carbon that halogen is attached. अगर हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पे हमने 2 हैलाइड्स ले लिए एक ही रिंग के ऊपर, तो यहाँ पे ये जो पोजीशन है इसे हम कहते हैं ऑर्थो. तो यहाँ पे हम इसे लिखेंगे ऑर्थो डाइब्रोमो देन बेंजीन. और IUPAC में हम नंबर देते हैं तो नंबर देंगे 1 2. सो हियर 1 2 डाइब्रोमो बेंजीन. Okay, so in this way we can name the arenes. Next example, if bromine groups are present at first and third position, then we name it as in a common system meta 2 bromine, that's why di bromo benzene, meta dibromo benzene. But in IUPAC system we have to number it 1 2 and 3. So we have to write here 1 3 di bromo benzene. Right? Now next example, suppose 4 chlorines are present on the benzene ring at different position. So how can we name it? So here common name तो इसका थोड़ा सा complicated हो जाएगा. तो IUPAC से हम इसको नाम करेंगे, positions लिखेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we have to name it as a 1 2 3 5 tetra chloro benzene. ओके, सो इस तरीके से हम हेलो अल्केन्स और हेलो एरीन्स को नाम दे सकते हैं. तो हमने पहले भी डिटेल्स में नॉमेनक्लेचर देखा है, यहाँ पे हमने शॉर्ट में समराइज करके उस नॉमेनक्लेचर को रिवाइज कर लिया है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट नॉमेनक्लेचर. सो थैंक यू.